Hey guys, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today we're going to be reviewing the ASOS 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. I actually don't know if it's called 12 Days of Christmas. I think it's just 12 Days Advent Calendar, but I am really excited to share what's inside of here. This is the only Advent Calendar I've purchased this year. Usually I kind of buy a few more expensive ones, but this year I just really can't afford it, and I've been really thinking about Christmas advent calendars, and since the whole Zoella debacle last year, which was kind of like the talk of like the vlogging world for quite a few weeks, around costs of the advent calendar and the quality of products, etc. And it got me thinking about what's out there and what's available to people and the costs that is attached to those different advent calendars. So I did create a blog post which I'll either link above or put in my description box below if I can't link it above, just to show you a few that I found that I thought was really interesting, and if I could afford them I probably would purchase. So I thought that would be quite a good blog post for you guys to read, and the majority of them are beauty, but some of them I did find some non-beauty that I thought was really quite, you know, fun and different. I always get really excited for Christmas. Christmas is one of my, I think, favourite times of years. I think after my wedding this year, so I get married in 3 weeks, so after my wedding I think I really will be focusing on Christmas, and me and Gary will start Christmas shopping. Usually we start a bit early, or should I say I start really early, because I like to get really nice presents for people, but I know Christmas is so expensive, and I would say probably about 25 people to buy for, and that's family, not even friends that I will buy for. It's just my family, and it's really it just gets really costly, and I just find that I like to give myself as much time as possible. Like, I hate spending my December wage on Christmas. I like to have December where I can just not spend any of the money and then use it in the sales. That's kind of how I usually spend my years. I'm already thinking of it, but obviously because of mine and Gary's wedding we just can't afford to do that yet. So anyway, I'm waffling, I keep waffling, and it's meant to be about an advent calendar. So this is what the calendar looks like. It's a huge advent calendar. It's bloody massive, which I really liked. It gets you excited. It makes you think, oh my god, what is in there? Like, are they full-size products? Are they not full-size products? I actually haven't seen what's inside of here, but I know this costs £25. It's probably one of the least expensive beauty advent calendars that you can get on the market. There are a few cheaper, but this houses lots of different types of products rather than like one brand, or like high street branded products that you might not necessarily buy normally. I think this kind of houses a few good products that ASOS house on their website, which usually I like the majority of the products that are in there. So anyway, let's open her up. Okay, so I've had to just shift you back a little bit just because it's quite hard to kind of open this and show you as we're going through, but we're just going to take it one day at a time. I just want to start singing like Christmas songs.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
It's enough for that. Anyway, so you get a large like cover which has all of the products on the back, but I'll just open the boxes and read them from there. So obviously that's what it looks like without the casing. Let's go with number one. So number one's a big one. It's a big one. Right. Oh, okay. So inside day one you get a small pack of Yes to Grapefruit Correct and Repair Brightening Facial Wipes, which should look like this. So these are 95% natural ingredients, and yeah, these are great for like trips away. I think they'd be really good if you're travelling and you just need to throw these in your bag. Grapefruit on the skin is a great idea. Right, anyway, so that's day one done. Day two, we're just going to whiz through these because I know I talk too much, so... Ooh, okay. Day two is a Carmex. And this is a Carmex lip balm in a pineapple mint. I love Carmex. I think that's how you pronounce it. I always wonder whether I'm pronouncing product names correctly. But anyway, this is great for your lips, especially at winter. It's always great to have another lip balm handy. Right, day three is up here. I like the big ones, if I'm honest, because it makes me feel like I'm getting more. Oh, okay, so day 3. So this is the Pureology Serious Colour Care, perfect for platinum. I'm assuming this is hair conditioner for platinum blonde hair, but after Christmas I am going blonde, so this will be very handy then, which is great. Right, number 4 is here. Oh, yeah, okay, so this is the shampoo to the conditioner. They probably should have done it the other way round, like shampoo then conditioner, because you never say there's my conditioner and shampoo, you say that's my shampoo and conditioner. That's just how it goes, right? But anyway, there's those. That's really good. I always like having travel sized hair shampoos, especially if like me and Gary go away for the weekend. It's always nice to have like a little bottle of shampoo. So that was number 4. Number 5, you know what, it's just really satisfying opening these things up. Oh, okay, this is the Ico Sport Waterproof Mascara Catch and Curl. Again, I always love mascaras, like waterproof, small travel size mascaras, just because when I go on my honeymoon, I love products like this because you can just use them there and you can go in the pool and go in the sea and it won't kind of do anything to your lashes. You won't have like runny panda-eyed mascara. Perfect. Number 6. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I like this. Dr. Dennis Gross, or Gross, I think it's Gross. C plus collagen, brighten and firm vitamin C. Massaged 1 to 2 pumps into clean, dry face, neck daily. So I'm guessing it's like an anti-aging thing. God, I probably will need this now. Turning 29, it's always quite sad. Getting old. That's number 6. Oh, number 7's a big one. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so number 7 is a face mask, or no, it's an eye mask. So this is a Star Skin Smoothing Biocellulose Second Skin Eye Mask. Which is that. You can't really see it properly because of my ring light, so sorry about that. I always like eye masks, especially like if you're like really stressed out. You know, if I'm ill, stressed, upset, I get really puffy eyes, so they are really, really helpful. So number 8. Number 8 is a Vita Librata Luxury 10-minute tan. I will never use this because I'm not into tanning products, but Gary's sister will love it, so I'll make sure she gets that. So 8 done. We're almost there. Number 9. Number 9 is an ASOS liquid eyeliner in the shade black. I've not actually used ASOS beauty products yet. I was looking at doing a haul there, but then I thought, probably not. Number 10. Number 10 is a Quarterly Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. Looks like this. I don't know if it's like blurry or not, but this is it's like a moisturiser for morning and evening. Anti-aging as well. Always love an anti-aging product. Number 11 is number 11 is a Frank Body Coffee Scrub. So this is like, I love Frank, well, Frank Body. I don't love Frank, I don't know who Frank is, but I love a Frank Body Coffee Scrub. It's just so good on your skin. It really helps exfoliate and like you feel so smooth. And if you love coffee, not to drink obviously, but the smell is amazing. So good. And finally, number 12. Number 12 is a Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detox detoxify, brighten, purifying skin mask. I love Sand and Sky. If you haven't seen my review, go and check it out. I'll link that above actually, just so you can watch it. But I love Sand and Sky. It's such a brilliant product, and these are so good for like autumn, winter, because your skin gets really dry. And that is it. That is my 12 days of Christmas advent calendar. It's actually really good. I think it's a bit big. I think they probably could have made it smaller for all those products, but yeah, I think it's quite cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that opening of the advent calendar. I don't have anything else to say. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to try them all out. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't waffle on too much for your liking. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.